Hi, I'm Miss Monica,
And I am Miss Ella.
and we're talking in headphones because it's kind of noisy where we are. So Ella's going to be doing all the motions that are on the screen, and I'm going to just be narrating. So to do this, we're going to go into titles, and you're going to pick your title, whichever one you want. So we're going to pick the pop-up title. And so you see that she's dragging it to the bottom half of the screen, and she's going to write in the title text, A Day in Switzerland, because the clips we're picking are from Ella's trip to Switzerland. So you're going to just cut down your title to make it like a little bit less than like 2 seconds-ish, whatever. And so then she's going to go to My Media and pick one of the video clips and click it and drag it to where we want it on the bottom screen. So
Actually, I'm just going to take a little piece.
So she's going to actually cut it at the top, so then she has less to work with up there. And so now she just took 4.5 seconds of it. So it's just some mountain range scenery, and she got about 2 seconds of it. And then she's going to take the other scene and click and drag and cut it down as well. And so after cutting it down, she's going to take one more. She's going to cut it. She's going to click and drag and cut it. And now she's going to start on the transition. So you're going to go to the top tab and go into transitions and pick whichever one you like the best. So we're going to do the fade to white. The fade to white one is a bit more natural, but they have some fun ones. And then there's the doorway, and you can just put transitions in between every scene just to give it a cleaner cut to the next scene that you're going to be going to. We're then going to add a title again at the end, so maybe a fun one this time, and you just put it at the back. And then you can write kind of whatever. It's just, I don't know what that is. And so then she's just going to write, thank you for watching. Oh my goodness. So, yeah. So thank you for watching. Hope this explains iMovie. See you in class tomorrow. And then we're just going to add one scene of audio. Let's just do like a sound effect. So you're going to go to audio, and you can either add your own music from iTunes or just any of the sound effects they have. There's also like a lot of YouTube to MP3, so you can find like other audio clips or voiceover. So now we're going to watch it. So just title text here, which didn't work. A boing.
Why didn't it make them any of the videos?
So then it just says thank you for watching. So that's a quick tutorial on iMovie. Thank you guys for watching.
See you later.
Bye. Oh, you have to talk into there.
See you later.